Well, it's a great concept that they've started. Walls Hair is the name of the movement that we started, which means women against lazy stubble. So we are ganging up and we are going to send the message across to men that they must shave. Shaving every day is extremely good. Women have the right to have the men around them be presentable, be clean, be fresh looking. So that's the movement that we have, and of course, the logical person to partner on the movement is Gillette, because they are the foremost leaders in razors and manufacturing of shaving material for the very same process. So it was but natural that we associate with the brand, and we just hope that you guys, and especially women out there, join the movement and are pushing men to shave more. Well, women are born consumerists. Women will buy anything, anywhere. You give them a 50% discount and they will pick up stuff that they don't need. So you don't need to entice a woman to shop. But I think men need to get more free with their money and more experimenting more with things to buy. So it's a great idea to get women to sell products, especially products that are meant for men. At least then they will go out and they will buy them. I think Gillette is the leader as far as razors are concerned in its category. There is no competition for Gillette. It is by far the most advanced razor possible, so it has no competition.
Well, I think most importantly, firstly, thank you for the compliment that you're saying that we're hot women. But I think with Gillette and then the whole brand association comes because we're all here for a cause, which is walls. It's women against lazy stubbles. So we're really associating ourselves with that, and we're trying to tell men that they're very hot in any case, but they'll get even hotter if they shave. And clean-shaven men look fantastic, and that's what we're trying to promote over here. Well, it has to be meaningful, and it has to be fun. It has to be, for me right now, I mean, there has to be a lot of things that have to be youthful. I mean, I can't be going out there and associating myself with things that I don't believe in for sure. But there are some things that I can't see myself selling, and as a face, I mean, that's a product. Today, if I'm standing here with Gillette and for Gillette, I think they're a product as well. We're a product of the market and by the market, so it's about the brand fit, and that's what's most important. And it comes to me immediately whether I should associate myself with them or not. And I feel very happy that I got a call to do this, because it's a lot of fun. And it's just, before we came on stage also, we were like, this is your message, just go out there, have fun, and make sure the message reaches people. And that's what we did. We just had fun.
ये जिलेट मार्क 3 न्यू प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च है, और मैं इसके साथ एसोसिएट इसलिए हूँ कि ये वॉल्स को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. वॉल्स मीन्स वुमेन अगेंस्ट लेजी स्टबल, और मैं भी एक वो औरत हूँ जिनको स्टबल पसंद नहीं है. तो आई गेट टू कन्वे माई मैसेज थ्रू जिलेट through this launch. So that's the association, that's the launch. I think a lot of men also promote women's product. I can't name you right now, but of course it goes because both the genders complement each other. So it's good. Association with Gillette is very good. Yeah. Yes, that's why I'm here, and Gillette gives me the opportunity to tell everyone that I want my man to be clean shaven. So and I think it's today in India, if you are clean shaven, you're smarter, you are nicer, and girls like me like you with clean shaven. So please go ahead and shave yourself.